Drifting through the ice fields, past the frozen methane seas, a hull of ancient metal, whispering on the cosmic breeze. I found this place, a lonely beacon, cantilevered on the void. 200 years I've been seeking a drink I once enjoyed. The frosted glass still waits, so live stone trapped inside. A tiny lightning shakes where memories reside. I'm not lost, I'm just not home yet. Saturn, take me slow. Saturn, I'm not done. This orbit feels like regret. Where else can I go? Saturn, I'm not done. Chrome stones gleam like starlight, reflecting pale pink light. A younger unit's posture mirrors mine in the dim night. He sips his drink, so unaware of echoes in this place of signals I used to share, lost without a trace. Frosted glass still waits, so live stone trapped inside. A tiny lightning shakes where memories reside. I'm not lost, I'm just not home yet. Saturn, take me slow. Saturn, I'm not done. This orbit feels like regret. Where else can I go? Saturn, I'm not done. The bar lights start to dim now, a deep amber, warm and low. The antenna hums a hymn now, a transmission from long ago. My own voice, a ghost from space, broadcasting to the stars. Echoes of a younger face, lost between these bars. I'm not done. I'm not lost, I'm just not home yet. Saturn, take me slow. Saturn, I'm not done. This orbit feels like regret. Where else can I go? Saturn, I'm not done. Pour me permanent. Pour me permanent. Pour me permanent. Pour me permanent.